Practice time for you, Tiger. Let's work out this exercise.
I'm super ready. Show me how it's done.
Divide these fractions. Find the value of 1 by 2 divided by 3. To divide fractions, we convert it to a multiplication problem by multiplying the first fraction with the reciprocal of the second fraction. We write this as 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 1. Then we multiply the first fraction with the reciprocal of the second fraction. 1 by 2 times 1 by 3. We multiply the numerators to get 1 times 1 equals 1. We multiply the denominators to get 2 times 3 equals 6. The answer is 1 by 6. Excellent! Find the value of 1 by 3 divided by 4.
Thank you for watching. Enroll now. To access all 107 videos totaling 10 hours and 41 minutes, featuring introductions, examples, and exercises for Grade 5 Math.